Okay. Say hi. Alright, right now we're going to show you. Yeah. You tell them. Tell them about your favorite toy. Tell them how cool it is. That's where it is. It's down. Yeah. It's down there. Okay. We're about to show you Finn's favorite toy, the Roomba. It's the best thing ever. Okay? You ready? Okay. Alright. Alright, show him how it works. You're supposed to leave it running though. No, no clapping. Okay, that was good. You clap for that. See, this is the game. We turn it on and off for 900 times in a row so that can't actually vacuum. That's the best, right? Okay, hey Finn, press it and just let it go. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, now just leave it. Okay, leave it. Let it run. The Roomba, he's obsessed with it. Oh my gosh. Where'd it go? Where is it? You better go find it. Okay. Oh. Yep. You know how to turn it on and off, that's for sure. Okay, Finn, say bye-bye. Say thanks for watching my Roomba video. Bye-bye.
Daddy.
Turn it on one more time for good measure. Hurry up. Oh, I messed them up. Do it. Really? Okay. Well, bye-bye. Thanks for watching.